60s, heck, right? So, enjoy the show. I'm on Bob's mic and he's telling me to move over.
Enjoy the show, y'all!
Yeah, oh.
Hey, you're a little close to me. A little too close.
Whatever.
Yeah, no, that needs to not be.
It was 1967, it was the summer of love, and this is for all the flower girls out there. I saw her sitting in the rain, raindrop falling on her. She didn't seem to care, she sat there and smiled at me. And I knew she would make me happy.
She had made me very happy.
In her head. Suddenly the sun broke through.
See the sun around, so let's go away and see that all I had
Was one little flower in my hand. But I knew she had made me happy.
she had made me very happy.
Sun